struggling with an itchy, irritated scalp can be incredibly frustrating. Finding the right shampoo that not only soothes but also addresses the underlying cause of the itchiness is key to achieving comfort and relief. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 shampoos specifically designed to tackle an itchy scalp. Each product has been chosen for its effectiveness in providing relief and promoting a healthy scalp. Let's dive in and discover which shampoo might be your solution. Kicking off our list at number 1, Neutrogena Tea/Gel Therapeutic Shampoo. Neutrogena Tea/Gel Therapeutic Shampoo is a trusted solution for those suffering from scalp itchiness and dandruff. This dermatologist-recommended shampoo is formulated to provide long-lasting relief from common scalp conditions. Key features: the key ingredient in Neutrogena Tea/Gel is coal tar, which helps to reduce scalp inflammation and control itching. This shampoo is also effective against seborrheic dermatitis and psoriasis. It's designed to offer therapeutic benefits without causing excessive dryness. Benefits and usage: for optimal results, apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather thoroughly, and leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. It helps to alleviate itching, flaking, and irritation, promoting a healthier scalp. Regular use can lead to noticeable improvements in scalp condition and comfort. Usability: the shampoo has a dark color and a distinctive, slightly medicinal scent due to the coal tar. It lathers well and rinses clean, leaving the scalp feeling refreshed. Though the scent may not be for everyone, its effectiveness makes it a popular choice. Durability: the 250 ml bottle typically lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. While it's a bit pricier compared to some alternatives, its targeted relief for itchy scalp and therapeutic properties make it a worthwhile investment. In the second spot, we have Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is renowned for its potent antifungal properties, making it a go-to choice for treating dandruff and itchy scalp conditions. It's a favorite among those seeking effective, medical-grade solutions. Key features: the shampoo contains ketoconazole, an antifungal agent that targets the root cause of dandruff and itching. It helps to eliminate fungal growth on the scalp and reduce flaking. The formula is gentle yet powerful, suitable for various scalp types. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and leave it on for 5 minutes before rinsing. It provides relief from itching and flaking, promoting a healthier scalp environment. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week, depending on the severity of the condition. Usability: Nizoral has a thick consistency and a mild, medicinal scent. It lathers well and rinses easily, leaving the scalp feeling clean and refreshed. It's suitable for frequent use without causing excessive dryness or irritation. Durability: the 120 ml bottle generally lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. It is moderately priced, making it a cost-effective choice for those seeking effective anti-dandruff treatment and relief from scalp itchiness. Coming in at number 3 is the Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength Shampoo. Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength Shampoo is formulated to provide maximum relief from severe dandruff and itchy scalp conditions. This clinical-grade shampoo is designed for individuals with persistent scalp issues. Key features: the shampoo features selenium sulfide as its active ingredient, which helps to control and prevent dandruff. It's clinically proven to address severe itchiness and flaking. The formula is also designed to be gentle on the scalp while providing effective relief. Benefits and usage: apply to wet hair, work into a rich lather, and leave on the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. It helps to reduce itching, flaking, and irritation, promoting overall scalp health. Regular use can lead to significant improvements in scalp comfort and appearance. Usability: the shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture and a fresh, clean scent. It lathers well and rinses out easily, leaving no residue behind. It's designed for frequent use without causing dryness or discomfort. Durability: the 300 ml bottle typically lasts around 1 to 2 months with regular use. It's priced competitively, offering a strong value for its clinical-grade efficacy in addressing severe scalp conditions. Taking our fourth spot is DHS Zinc Shampoo. DHS Zinc Shampoo is formulated to provide effective relief for itchy, irritated scalps. It's particularly beneficial for those dealing with dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. Key features: this shampoo contains zinc pyrithione, an ingredient known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps to reduce scalp inflammation and control flaking. The formula is gentle and designed to soothe an irritated scalp. Benefits and usage: massage the shampoo into wet hair, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. It helps to relieve itching, flaking, and redness, promoting a healthier scalp. For best results, use it regularly to maintain scalp health and comfort. Usability: DHS Zinc has a light, pleasant fragrance and a clear, gel-like texture. It lathers well and rinses easily, leaving the scalp feeling clean and refreshed. It's suitable for daily use without causing excessive dryness. Durability: the 237 ml bottle usually lasts about 1 to 2 months with regular use. It's priced reasonably, making it an accessible option for those seeking effective relief from scalp issues without spending a fortune. And finally, at number 5, we have Selsun Blue Medicated Shampoo. Selsun Blue Medicated Shampoo is a well-known choice for addressing itchy scalp and dandruff. It offers a medicated formula designed to provide relief from severe scalp conditions. Key features: the shampoo contains selenium sulfide, which helps to control dandruff and relieve itching. It's formulated to provide long-lasting relief and prevent recurrence of scalp issues. The formula is also designed to be gentle on the hair. Benefits and usage: apply the shampoo to wet hair, lather, and leave it on the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. It helps to reduce itching and flaking, promoting a healthier scalp environment. Regular use can help to maintain scalp health and comfort. Usability: Selsun Blue has a thick, rich consistency and a mild, medicinal scent. It lathers well and rinses cleanly, leaving the scalp feeling refreshed. It's suitable for frequent use without causing excessive dryness or irritation. Durability: the 355 ml bottle generally lasts around 1 to 2 months with regular use. It is affordably priced, offering a good balance of effectiveness and value for those seeking relief from itchy scalp and dandruff. Finding the right shampoo for an itchy scalp can make a world of difference in your comfort and hair health. From clinical strength treatments to affordable, effective solutions, these top 5 shampoos offer various options for relieving itchiness and promoting a healthy scalp. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on maintaining healthy hair. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more comfortable and itch-free scalp with the perfect shampoo.